Watch his legs begin to wobble, 'cause Thanksgiving is a cause for some alarm. We got pork, we got chickens, we got quails, and one big pigs. It's a poultry tale told down on the farm. What a gorgeous vision this is. In our junkyard of free rangers, it's a poultry tale. Although down on the farm.
What's the matter? All that sitting around taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch, dumb cluck. The big one.
Let me see that again. It's definitely a turkey's egg. You'll never get it to go into the water. Just leave it. Oi, cut that out. Come on, teach the other ones to swim properly.
You teach the other ones to swim properly. I've sat for so long, a few days more won't make any difference.
Whatever you say, Peter. Come on, lash him to the lakes of Coot. Hey, wait for me. Oh, Spear, I know. Now, I want you to listen very closely. I want you to walk towards me very slowly, no sudden moves.
What are you quacking about?
There's something behind you, something not very nice.
This is your son, dear.
Oh, I created a monster.
Don't be ridiculous. He's just not your normal run-off-the-mill conduct. That's all.
That's all, Ida. I have a reputation.
And I wouldn't brag about it if I were you.
I'm scared. I tell you, he's a turkey. Cranberry sauce.
See, he didn't even flinch. Now, I want you all to get spruced up in time to meet the other members of the duckyard and be educated in the ways of the world. Drake, stop staring at him. Now the children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him. Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's that special son. Come along, all of you now, but stay close to me at all times or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
take part in an exercise, the likes of which we have not faced before. Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
This duckling lost his mom. Bless him. And we are going to find her.
You are a fine body of geese, and I know you will give up your best. Good luck, men. We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. Squadron will know no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, all those fun bubbles and skies and goggles of shores are find your home.
Runways clear, prepare for takeoff here. We must play our part.
Hark at him, our fierce cabin lights are rather dim.
Chalks away, our air display must start.
We're off on a wild goose chase, and our simple mission, position, whereabouts of your heart. We're off in the spring, floating to kingdom come. We won't be back until we find.
Excuse me, sir. Cattails advancing from the rear. What? Cattails are not advanced barnacles. One of the things they're most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I lost ya.
Stand back or I'll pet.
Ooh, we still like waking legs. I'm gonna be goose. What are you doing here? What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother's carrying out something fearful. My mother? You see my mother? Of course, she sent me to fetch you.
Listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I'm gonna try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
Is there a party of flag project behind?
Silence in the ranks.
Little joke, sir. Maybe I could be of assistance. I'll go over to the chute, and I'll let you know when I'm packing up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I have several ways to skin your attack.
It's like taking candy from my baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
My name is Dot. I am your senior flight attendant, and on behalf of Captain Graylab, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from Bobby Marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures that we have been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air, the fluffy skies.
We're off to the shores, it's not so long. We won't be back until we find.
The coast is clear. They're putting away the guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my lives.
Good. All right, then. Final check. Oh. And here's a parachute for you.
For me?
You don't think I'm going to leave you here with the duckling you? Oh, no, plus, you're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter.
Our wings are spread,
So don't delay.
our excess bags are stowed away. It's time to fly. We're off on a wild goose chase, with a happy ending, a pending as we can locate his nest.
You're grounded.
When's Mama coming back?
I don't know, honey.
But she is coming back.
I don't know, honey.
Will she find ugly?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. All right, kids, it's time to roost. Make sure you brush your beaks. And don't take all the water. My bill's big enough.
See a finer girl. Put it in, 'cause Tommy is the best we've heard. We are feeling rather small in the social bay. Maybe you'll forgive us all, and we'll all live to have some songs. Lead our game.
Of course I don't get it. I'm just happy to see you all again. And there is these people somewhere. This is Penny.
Hello, Penny.
Welcome home, my dear. I've been thinking I'm getting very long in the bill. The time is right to distinguish the red band. Where?
I always knew that my family was blessed with royal blood.
Yes, 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 yes! What? I made it through Thanksgiving!
Don't leave any stuff, don't be left on the shelf. Feel the ground, focus, and
One thing I've ever laid my eyes on. Very image of my father. Thanks. Speaking of Daddy, Maureen, would you be a dear and try to find him for me? He's probably making way to dump the little watering hole. All right. Auntie Marmar's off now. I'll see you later. Auntie Marmar? What a weird name.
What a big world it is.
Yeah, far out.
Where inside that egg?
Well, don't go thinking that this is the whole world. It stretches far beyond the other side of that lake, right to the churchyard. Though I've never been that far myself.
Wicked, let's explore.
Wait. There are 1 or 2 nests before you paddle off. Number 1, no wet feet in the nest. Number 2, you must feather your nest every morning. Number 3, no quacking after sunset. Number 4, no plankton between meals. Wait. You're not here.
Hey guys, there's gonna be a new member again.
Oh, quack, it's the big one.
Look at the shell on that. Excellent. How come these such gotta be? Yeah, we all got crammed into a regular size shell, but this one got a queen size ostrich jaw. It's not fair, Mama.
No, Mama, it's not fair. Hi, kids. I'm your dad. Take a good look at him. You won't be seeing him that often. True to form, you missed it. The pitter-patter, teat paddles.
Well, I'm here now. Okay, kids, who's first swim? What's the matter? All that sitting around taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch, dumb cluck. The big one.
Let me see that egg again. It's definitely a turkey's egg. We'll never get it to go into the water. Just leave it. Oi, cut that out. Come on, teach the other ones to swim properly.
You teach your own to swim properly? I've sat for so long. A few days more won't make any difference.
Whatever you say, dear. Come on, last one to the lake's a coop. Hey, wait for me.
Bless him, and we are going to find her.
You are a fine body geese, and I know you'll give all your best. Good luck, men.
We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will know no fear.
We're off
most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I lost you.
Stand back or I'll pet.
Ooh, we still like waiting legs. I'm gonna be goose. What are you doing here? What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother's carrying on something fearful. My mother? You've seen my mother? Of course. She sent me to fetch you.
Listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here. My squadron's taking personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Have you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, but we'll fly if we want to.
Silence in the ranks.
Slow jump, sir. Maybe I could be of assistance. I'll go up to shoot. Then I'll let you know when they're packing up for the day.
Very well. But no funny business. I know several ways to skin your toe.
It's like taking candy from a baby. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I am your senior flight attendant, and on behalf of Captain Greylag, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from Boggy Marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures that we have been through so many
Well, your father does.
Mom won't let us stay out.
Ron's not here. You're grounded.
When's Mama coming back?
I don't know, honey.
But she is coming back.
I don't know, honey.
Won't you find it ugly?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. All right, kids. It's time to roost. Make sure you brush your beaks. And don't take all the water. My bill's big enough. Here now. Okay, kids, who's first swim? What's the matter? All that sitting around taking it out of you?
Just doing a hatch, dumb clock, the big one.
Let me see that again. It's definitely a turkey's egg. You'll never get it under the water. Just leave it.
Now, I want you all to get spruced up in time to meet the other members of the Duckyard and be educated in the ways of the world. Drake, stop staring at him. Look at him. Now the children, let's make a fuss. Look at him. Are you sure he's really one of us? Feeling like this isn't strong, so you won't poke fun. Look at him. That was obviously a Let the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl. Why are you so rude? Ooh, touchy. Look at you, look at me. What's the matter?
famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I lost you.
Stand back or I'll peck.
Ooh, you still my quaking legs. I'm gonna be due. What are you doing here? What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother's carrying out something fearful. My mother? You see my mother? Of course. She sent me to fetch you.
Listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my squad just taken personal charge, and the duckling said return to his mother.
Well, I would try flying in a moment.